Long before television, before cell phones, and before bedtime cartoons, there was the fire. Around it, families gathered as grandmothers, aunts, and elders told stories that danced through the night. These stories were called Izinganekwane, the Zulu folk tales, magical tales filled with wisdom, animals that talk, lessons that teach, and laughter that heals. Welcome to Mzansi ZuluMama, where we keep the beauty of our culture alive through language and stories. Izinganekwane are traditional Zulu stories passed down through generations. They often begin with the famous line, Kwasuka sukela. Each story carries a message about honesty, bravery, respect, or cleverness. They are more than entertainment. They are the moral compass of the community. Through them, children learn how to live, love, and lead with wisdom. In Zulu folk tales, animals take center stage. You'll meet a clever bunny who always outsmarts the mighty lion, Ingonyama. You'd laugh at the trickster stories of Ujagalas, the jackal, and feel inspired by the courage of ordinary people who face magical challenges. Every story blends fantasy with truth. A snake may speak, a tortoise may win a race, but behind every tale lies a lesson about humanity, intelligence, and respect, and that is inhlonipho. In Zulu culture, storytelling isn't just for fun. It's how identity is passed on. It's how children learn their roots, values, and the rhythm of their mother tongue. Around the fire, Izinganekwane connects generations. Grandparents become teachers, and children become keepers of the word. Even today, these stories are being retold in schools, homes, and digital spaces like this, proving that culture evolves, but it never disappears. So, next time you hear the words Kwasuka sukela, close your eyes and imagine the fire glowing, children giggling, and ancestors listening. That's the power of Izinganekwane. Timeless, soulful, and proudly Zulu. If you love stories like this, subscribe to Mzansi ZuluMama and join me in keeping our language and traditions alive. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you for listening, and may your heart always carry a story to tell. Nisale kahle.